In the following video, we talk about 5 things you should know about Maine Coons. Number 1. They are dog-like cats. Sometimes referred to as the dogs of the cat world. Maine Coons are intelligent, social and extremely people-oriented. Number 2. They are very active cats. Before they were prize show cats, Maine Coons were renowned for their hunting prowess by New England sailors and farmers. True to their working origins, Maine Coons remain highly active cats. Number 3. They are big cats. Maine Coons are one of the largest domestic cat breeds. Just how large exactly? Males typically weigh from 15 to 20 pounds, while females are slightly smaller at 10 to 15 pounds. Number 4. They love water. Unlike most cats, Maine Coons love water. Many like to splash around in running water, and some will even jump in the shower or tub for a quick dip. Number 5. They require regular grooming. Maine Coons have long, thick fur that help them survive harsh New England winters. In the home, this fur tends to build up. To help control shedding, plan to brush your Maine Coon once or twice a week. This will also help prevent your cat's long fur from becoming matted. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.